Crazy Lizzie. We have been busy on the farm. We are adding on to our house. I am going to get a new room, a bigger closet, and we're going to get a new living room. You hear the baby goats? They have been growing, and I'm going to show you the baby goats. See the baby goats! They're so big now. They say, we want our hay. Okay, I saw you the baby goats. I had cut some fence down here in the backyard. Oh, excuse me. The baby chicks are not in the yellow building no more. We built them a new chick home. Yeah, we did. And I'm in the backyard now. It was so nice there. I guess went through the gate. There's the old gate. Turn the camera around for y'all. Backyard looks right now. There ain't that gate. That fence was right here. And there we go. Hey, baby rabbit. And there's Simba. Simba has some new water now we get bought. Yes. Here we are. Get y'all better for you. See, the baby rabbits are big now. They're moving. They have their hair. Yeah. I gotta give them some clean water. Gotta give them some more food, I see. Yeah, everyone, the baby rabbits are so cool now. And there's Totoro. Okay. There we go, showing you the baby rabbits. And now I have a little garden back here I've been trying to fix. Soon I get me some raised garden beds I'm gonna make. And I'll show you my garden now. This is my herbs. We have a farmer market now in Geneva, in my hometown. And I buy herbs. That's my tomato plants, my hot peppers for my daddy. And then there's my pineapple, everyone. It's so big now, my pineapple. That's banana peppers. That's the lemon tree. Okay. Cadillac not in his pen. Cadillac wasn't in his pen. Cadillac might be with a girl. Cadillac jumps the fence. Or climbed the fence, whatever you want to call it. Oh. Okay, I'll show you the new chicken coop. And sticking with me and Mama was out getting goat food and rabbit food. She bought some baby chicks again. Again, little fairy. Little fairy bought some baby chicks. I will show you little fairy's baby chicks. And then I'll be done after I show you the chicken coop. And yeah, the iron's gonna be right here. Yeah, iron, the new living room, the new bedroom, my bedroom, and that's new add-on. And now I am to the hay room. Open that door, it's so hard. Show you our new baby chicks. There's little fairy's baby chicks. Okay. Y'all probably don't know, I am afraid of chickens. Yes. There's a certain type of chicken I'm afraid of. I'm not afraid of all the chickens. Just one certain breed. The giant breed. I am afraid of them. Well, funny story why I'm afraid of them. When we only had one, someone gave it to us. I accidentally hit him with a bucket trying to give him his food. And since then, he chased me. And since then, I've been afraid of giant chickens. Okay, I am to here are the baby goats again. Actually, they're called kids now. soon they'll be doing. Okay, show you the new chicken. This is our new chicken coop. Soon we'll put them a little pen right here for them to go out. We just haven't got that far, but here's where our chickies are at. And yeah, it's made out of pallet, tin, and chicken wire. I know, I should have shown you how we build it and stuff, but after we got done building it, it was too late to show you how we done it. Okay, that's the update on the farm and what we're doing. Yes, everyone, I'm back. I had to go shopping with Little Fairy. Yes, I'm back. Well, I got my peach tea with me. Peach tea. I bought me some peach tea when it was out. Okay, this is what I got when I went out with Little Fairy and someone else. I first went to Five Below. I got another Macadamia poster. Yay! And some puppies. That's all I got. No. And I saw some glasses. Everyone should wear some glasses. Yes. Go and give this to my dad. It's camouflage. And then we went to Ross's. Wherever this box is. That's where we went to. I bought 2 shirts. I bought this shirt, everyone. My unicorn shirt. Yay. I love it. And I bought another shirt. This shirt is what the front looks like. And this is what the back looks like. That's what I bought. And that's what we're done. Now, Little Fairy told me I couldn't open my poster. I had to wait for the camera. Now I can open it. It's a mystery poster. Gotta open it now, because I'm on camera. Ooh. Get the tape off now. Oh, no, it's the same. It's the price thing. There's that one with All Might, Midoriya, and can't remember his name right now. Yeah, him. And there's one more. It's All Might and Midoriya! All Might and Midoriya! It's All Might and Midoriya! Yay! Yes! My hair will make a day. Yay! Or what everyone else calls it. Yeah. People calls it Garrett Danes. Whatever you say it is, it's what it is. But y'all see my big picture? My big poster? I got to put these on my wall now. Yay! I love my anime. Okay, I'm going to say, put these down. Please like,